So we're looking at page 26 and we're looking at number 2 and we're noticing that there are 3-digit numbers. We're still going to be able to make a stem and leaf plot remembering the things that we talked about. My stem is here on the left and my leaves are here. What does the leaf represent? The ones. Only the ones place. Okay? Ones place. So in this situation, my stem is not just going to be my tens because I don't have any numbers that are in their tens. There's no 13, no 19. These are all hundreds. So if I'm leaving out the ones and the ones place is what belongs in my leaf, then what do I need to put in my stem?
Like 42.
Good. Like 42 or 43 or whatever. So first let's pick out my smallest number. In this list, let's see, my smallest number. I think 425, you're right. 425 is right here. And then my next one is 426. So for the number 425, my ones place is a 5. Is that correct? So that means my stem has to be 42. 42 with this line and the 5 means 425. And also something I didn't mention before is the key, which means it's kind of like a key for a map, kind of explains how to read it. This could be an example. I would use 42, show the line that's written here, and then the 5, and tell everybody that that equals 425.
Do we have to write this?
You will have to, yes, write this for every line plot, I'm sorry, for every stem and leaf plot that you make.
Okay.
But you can pick any number from the list and make your example. Okay, so we've done 425. Cross it off of your list. What number is the next largest number? 426. So can I keep this 42 here?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's 420, and then the 6 belongs here next to the 5. So 425, 426, what's next? 433? Okay, so I can't use the 42 for 433, so what do I need to do in my stem? Make a 43, and then I'd write a 3 here for my leaf. So that represents 433. What's the next bigger number?
436.
436? Okay, and the hardest part about this is making sure that when you use a number, you cross it off, and that you're very careful when you look through to see what number is next. Do I have anything else that's 430 something?
437.
Good, 437. Anything else? No more 430 anything? Okay. Do I have any 440s? Okay. So the 44 goes here, and so it's 440 what? 440? Okay. So that's a 0. Anything else for 440?
444.
Oh, another one?
444.
2 440s, so I would put 2 zeros. Good. And then I heard 444.
And then 445.
And then 445. Okay. What happens if I skipped a number and I need to rearrange? I got to erase, right? If I put the 5 instead and the 4 in, behind it, then I've got to erase and make sure that these are in order of least to greatest. Say that again?
Everything would be wrong.
Yeah, you need to fix it. Okay, so any more 440s? Okay, how about 450s? So this 45, and you said there's a 450?
Yes.
Okay, anything else for 450? 452, 455, very nice. Anything else in the 450 something? No more. Okay, how about 460?
Yes.
466, anything else? How about 470? 470, and what? 475. Okay. Now, imagine if I had to rewrite all this list. I'd be writing 470, and then 475, and all these numbers over and over again, which is kind of a waste. So it's kind of a little bit easier to write it out this way. Any 470s? Any more? Okay, what about 480s? 485. Anything else?
Nope.
Okay, how about 490s?
No.
500s? 510s? We're done. Okay. Let's pretend that there were no 460 anythings. Would I still have to write this 46?
Yes.
Yes, please. Okay, because you want to see that gap in the information. So from this, we're going to find median, which is my middle number. I'm going to find mode, and I'm going to find range.
But it doesn't say we have to.
Oh, it doesn't say you have to? Oh, lucky you.